Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with market analysis. So this is new video on how to trade with market analysis. So let's start. So here you see market has reversed here multiple times, but major trend is down, and you see this candle was here already, and this is continuation. Let me change. So here you can see but I think this is news. So let's wait. We see here this is very strong area. This is strong area. I'll place put option. I place my trade put option here. Because of this strong area, I'm expecting market to create weak candle here. That's why I place my trades. I'm not expecting market to break this area. Market will reject here because of this breakout, and here is very strong area. So let's see. I'm expecting weak candle here. You see market is creating weak candle here, so that's why I place my trade here. After market go higher, I try to get good possible entry point because of the breakout of this area, and from this area you cannot see any level here. You see breakout here, then market, this is the first time market comes here, so you should expect market to reverse here. Market create weak candle. After this candle you can try to get good possible entry point. Because you are closer to this level, market may reject, but market first comes down here, and this is the first time market was is coming here, so that's why I place my trade here. So let me check this one, yes, here, and here you see this is very strong area. Yes, we are at strong area. I place call option. I place my trade call option here after this strong candle, and here is very strong, and the breakout of extreme level here. You see this is extreme level. Market was here a long time ago, then it comes here, breakout, so you should expect market to go higher. That's why I place my trade. And you see, after breakout with strong candle, you should expect market to reverse. You see, market is reversing. That's why I place my trade confidently here. I know market is reversing here. So we have 7 seconds. You see, this is winning trade. You see here, you see breakout of this extreme level, and here if you check at this area, you see reverse, market reverse, market reverse, market reverse, then strong breakout. So market was not here for a long time. So as soon as market reach here, you see rejection, then you should expect market to reverse. So that's why I place my trade call option here. So let's check another one. You see, today I'm trading with extreme level. You see here, so here is extreme level. Our extreme level is here, this area. And here as well. So here, this area is strong. You see market reverse many times here. So here I will wait now. Yes, I place call option. Yes, I place my trade call option here because I know market must reject here and close above my entry point. Definitely. Why? Because here, because of this rejection here. You see rejection here, market rejects, reverse. So here market must reject, even though market is doing some panic, but market must reject and reverse here. But no problem, market is not reversing. Don't worry, let's check another one. So here, this is resistance, breakout, retracement. I'm expecting weak candle here, up. Yes, yeah, I place call option, put option here, I mean, because of this area. Even if market has not created weak red candle, it will create weak candle here because of this area. You see, this is strong area here. You can see market touch this area, reverse. When market comes here, retrace, then market continues. So if market comes here, you should expect weak candle. So if you get good entry point, you can place your trade. You see, this is weak candle because of this weak candle. So always market is repeating what happens in some areas. So if you can be able to identify that, you can win your trade. So let's check another one. So here, this is not a nice market because of this movement. As you can see here, I fell this one. So but here market, I'm expecting market to go down, but here is strong area. Yes, but the next, yes, I will place put option. I place my trade put option here because I know here market is still going down at this area. Even though this rejection, this is the continuation. After this long uptrend, market has to at least come somewhere here to this 200 EMA, because 200 EMA is flat, so you should expect market to go down here. So that's why I place my trade put option. So let's see. We have 20 seconds, but I know market is going down here. We have 5 seconds. You see, market is going down. I know definitely market is going down here. So let's check another one. So this is the way you will trade market analysis. If you lose trade, don't lose concentration. Just try to concentrate and keep trading. So if you lose concentration, so you see here, now you see market is reversing here because of this uptrend, downtrend. This market is not nice. This is not a nice market, so let's wait, because this type of market, it can fail you because of wicks here. And you see here, you should expect market to go down, like this is the retracement, but here, so you see market is going down, and this is the retracement candle, and here it's not consolidation area, but this is the support, complete center here. Yes, this is complete SNR, but I'm expecting market to go down, especially if there is gap. Yes, gap down. Yes, I place put option because of we are below this round number and this 20 MA. We are between 20 MA and 200 MA, so you should expect market to create doji or wick candle here. So here market must break or close between this 200 MA and the 20 MA, definitely. So that's why I place my trade put option after rejection. But this market is not nice market. Always try to avoid this market if you are not sure, if you don't have good market analysis. So you have to avoid this type of market. You see, I told you market is creating doji here because we are between 20 and 200 EMA. You should expect doji, so always try to get entry point above 1 EMA, below or above. If you place your trade above 20, it will be in the money. If you place your trade below 200, it will be in the money. Only try to get good entry point in this situation. Always you should expect doji in this situation. So that's why you see I place my trade. So I took total 6 trades. I lose 1 trade and I win 5 trades. You see, so this is the way that you will be doing market analysis, because you see sometimes you lose trade. As I was telling you, you can misanalyze, market can misbehave, because I'm not trading zone. You know, zone has high winner ratio, but it needs to wait. Sometimes you can open the market, you will see no opportunity. If you are trading with zone, you have to close later, you come back. But if you are trading with market analysis, always almost all the time you have opportunity to place your trade. Only you have to know it very well, but you must make sure that sometimes you lose money, you lose trade. So don't, if you lose trade, don't lose concentration. You can recover. You see, I decided to place 5 trades. I lose 1, so I place 6 trades now. 5 trades in the money, 1 losing trade. So this is not a problem. Always you make sure that you lose. So this is the way that traders are surviving in this market. If you don't believe in losing trade, you'll never be succeed in your trading career. Always, if you lose, just concentrate, calm down, try to analyze very well, then you take the next trade. As soon as you lose, if you have a mindset problem, just wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes before you start analyzing. But if you have good mindset, as soon as you lose, just calm down, try to analyze very well, then you continue your trading. But if you have less mindset, so try to wait at least for 10 minutes, then you start your trading. As soon as you lose trade, just keep calm and wait for some times, some minutes, then you continue your trading. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.